seems to me that a lot of discipleship, particularly in the United States, really fell off as you get through the Industrial Revolution. You get through then the Great Awakenings following that, particularly the Second Great Awakening. Everything becomes so programmatic. You had a whole revolution in culture where, schooling is now systematized and regulated. The church adopts that model, and you have the development of Sunday schools. You've got the development of all these different programmatic approaches to everything, education as well as the church. And that's really been a bad thing for the church as a whole. It's really failed as a model for the church in particular, because we've never had more discipleship resources, and yet we've completely failed to actually make disciples. It hasn't worked because we've taken the emphasis, in many cases, removed it from the home entirely. Like, the fathers are not discipling their children. It's turned into, oh, well, I'm going to let the experts in the church take care of that. And that has completely failed in the home. And then often in the church, you have these men who aren't oftentimes not even qualified, using resources that are just handed to them as if they're a high school teacher and not a minister of the gospel. And so it's just a complete failure all around.